Today, I'm going head to head against Pablo to see who can design the best phone stand in 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 1 hour.
The rules are simple. Michael and I are each going to be designing 3 different phone stands in 1 minute, 10 minutes, and 1 hour. If time runs out while you're still designing, you have to print your phone stand however it turns out. We're going to be designing with functionality and aesthetics in mind, but ultimately all of you decide the winner in the comments down below.
Now, without further ado, let's begin the 1 minute challenge.
Here, I made a quick sketch of what I'm going to be doing. It includes all the measurements that I'm going to need, which is really important if I'm going to be doing this in a minute.
My strategy for this challenge is pretty simple. Basically, I'm going to try and make the quickest phone stand in one sketch on Fusion 360. And I'm going to try and make it pretty small so that I can just scale it up in Bamboo Studio.
3, 2, 1.
With that round done, now it's time to print.
The 1 minute phone stand came out exactly how I wanted it. It fits my phone perfectly both vertically and horizontally.
So here is the 1 minute phone stand. It didn't come out too bad, it's just I wish this was a little bit closer so the phone can slant up a little higher. And honestly, the phone doesn't really fit up too well vertically like this. It takes a couple tries to get it to come good, and most of the time it actually doesn't really fit that well. But if you do it vertically like this, it does actually work pretty nicely. So I guess that's pretty good, but there's still a lot to improve on. But honestly, for 1 minute, it's not too bad.
With the 1 minute design done, we can actually start making some more elaborate designs now. My idea for this round is to make a phone stand that amplifies the noise coming out from the phone's speakers. I'm not going to put too much thought into the dimensions. I'm just going to kind of figure out how to size it as I go.
For this next round, what I want to do is I want to make it very functional. I want to make it obviously a little larger so it fits the phone vertically. And on top of that, I want to have space in the bottom so you could actually plug it in to charge while using it in the stand. I also want to try and see if I can improve the aesthetics to make it look a little more aesthetically pleasing.
3, 2, 1. With that finished, we can print. Unfortunately, my phone stand's noise amplifier didn't come out how I wanted it to. Although it does make the phone louder, the phone can't stand up sideways, and the phone is very awkwardly placed when it's vertical.
So here is the second phone stand, the 10-minute version. It does look a lot nicer and it's very functional. The phone fits just nicely like this at a nice angle, and also laying down, it also works as well. On top of that, I could also even fit an iPad onto this stand, showing how strong it is. And best of all, it has a little port down there so you could charge your phone while using it on the stand. Now it's time for round 3, the 1 hour round. In this round, we need to make our phone stands more elaborate and more unique.
My third and final idea is a phone holder for my bathroom shower door so that I could listen to music while I'm showering.
For my third phone stand, I want to make it adjustable using gears. And I also want to keep the same functionality as the second model by allowing the phone to still be charged and plugged in while on the stand.
3, 2, 1. Printing time. Even though the supports on the print failed, causing it to look damaged, it fits perfectly, with my phone sliding in well and it fitting on the door of my shower perfectly.
And here is the third phone stand. By far, I think this is the most aesthetically pleasing one, and it actually works relatively well with this gear to be able to adjust it. Basically, you just slide it in through here at a desired angle. And then you simply just put the phone on there and it's usable and ready. The nice thing about this one is that it's adjustable, so it can be adjusted to any of these heights by simply just sliding it out and putting it in at another pin. And it retains functionality from the old stand by still having a charging port. I think this is definitely the best one, and it definitely shows that I had an hour to make it.
And just like that, the video is over. We really appreciate you watching to the end, and please remember to like and subscribe. And in the comments down below, let us know which designs were your favorite.